Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio echo issue in OBS. If you are experiencing echo in your recordings or live streams, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So first, ensure that you don't have multiple audio sources capturing the same audio because duplicate audio sources can create echo. Make sure to open your audio mixer in OBS and ensure that each audio source is unique. Another common cause of echo is audio loopback. When your audio output is picked up by your microphone, to avoid this, make sure your microphone isn't capturing sound from your speakers. In this case, just use headphones instead of speakers because using headphones is a great way to prevent this issue from happening. In the next step, OBS offers a built-in noise separation filter that can help reduce echo and background noises. In the OBS audio mixer, click on the three dots next to the audio source you have chosen. Then choose Filter, click on the plus option, and add Noise Suppression. Then name your filter whatever you want and hit OK. This will adjust the settings as needed to improve your audio quality automatically. Now you can simply click on Close. Next, check that your audio devices are configured correctly in OBS. Go to Settings. Then Audio, and ensure that the correct microphone and audio sources are selected in your setup. Finally, if the issue still remains, simply restarting OBS can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that might be causing the echo. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio echo problem in OBS. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.